Market update on BTC. This update is going to be a little bit different than my usual ones. Normally I have more of an actionable setup where I say this is my entry, my stop loss, my target, etc. In this video, I just want to talk about the context of this price action in the month of October, going into the CPI data release tomorrow. Now, it's called Uptober, and anybody with a smartphone can look up all the stats and say, well, there's an average return on 23% on the month. So if that's the case, why has price action been so damn bearish, right? And I just want to have you consider the possibility that this price action here is a shakeout designed to get you to say, God, what if this time is wrong? I actually don't think I should long here. Maybe I should flip short. Maybe Uptober isn't going to happen this year, right? If that is the case, it's done a very, very good job. We have 12 billion in negative delta built up into these lows. Also, these lows here are being shorted more aggressively than these lows were over here, which means that we have unconfirmed CVD bullish divergence going into CPI data release tomorrow. I cannot emphasize enough, this key SR flip zone here is truly the line in the sand between this year's October being an anomaly that stands out against the historical trend, and this all being some degree of a shakeout. And the reason why is that if this low is taken here, I do not believe that we'll see a sweep and then a move up. In fact, I think it'll trigger a significant flush to the downside where we would then be targeting around this 56K zone, right? And as just a little bit more confluence to that, we can see that the 1, 2, 3, 6 lines up perfectly with this level in the event that this is in fact an ABC formation that brings us down into this zone. So all of this is just, we are right on the cusp of either one playing out here, where if we do fall through, we have an anomaly. If it holds, this was a shakeout, and we can look forward to that next leg up. Because the idea is, again, if everyone's so damn bullish, what can price do to make people not feel that way, despite the fact that the month will actually turn green at the end, right? And price has done just that, and it's done it so well. This has been really, really interesting price action to watch. So I'm actually going to go live in the Forge in the Discord tomorrow morning for the CPI data release. As we know, typically we have a local liquidation event happen at the time of the release, and then it triggers the next move. So it should be really insightful. If this area holds here through the night going into that data release, we should have an idea of what to expect next. So I hope you do join me for that. Lastly, I just want to shout out Spanx, Braun, and Super. They absolutely killed shorting this move down. Of course, I've been bullish, but nonetheless, this price action has been so interesting to trade, and I've had an absolute blast doing it. And again, seeing those other guys absolutely kill this move down. So thanks for joining me tonight, and I hope you do join me in the Discord tomorrow. We should have the answers that we're looking for. I cannot emphasize enough how much that this is a line in the sand and how interesting it'll be to see what comes next.